This is Bill North from Florida Weekend Warriors, and this weekend we are camping and boating at the Sarasota Outboard Club. I've been a member for 30 years, and it's truly a hidden gem in Sarasota. I can't wait to show it to you. Our club is tucked away right next to the Moat Marine Lab in Sarasota. We're right on the water. We have about 2.5 acres. And you can see we're right on the water, have our own private boat ramp. There's my camper. Look at this gorgeous view I have out of the side windows of my camper. Camping in paradise. Hope it comes out in the video. It's very bright today. And there's Plymouth Harbor, one of the tallest buildings out here on the beach. Over here is our fish cleaning station on the one side of our basin. As you can see, we have about 15 boat slips and about 20 camp slips. Only about 10 of the camp slips are for RVs though. You can see here's mine, and then there's our hookups right there. There's tent camping on the other side of the clubhouse, back by the showers. Here's a picture of our clubhouse from the outside. All the docks are out there in the back. This is the view inside our clubhouse. We've got this really cool tiki bar with flat screen TV, refrigerator. We've got plenty of seating for all of our guests. We've got a fireplace, and we've got a pool table. And right outside, you can see we have additional seating, and there's all the dock slips. We've got a full-size commercial kitchen with some commercial cooking equipment. We have a commercial ice machine so that all of our fishermen can go and fill up on ice before they leave the dock. Everybody just kind of pays on the honor system. It's really convenient. We also have 2 outdoor showers with both hot and cold water, and it's really convenient, especially when you're all dirty and you're all sandy from being out in the boat. Here's the view out on our patio deck. The sun is bright today. Over there is our cook shack, and we also have over there is an outdoor tiki shack. We have a nice picnic area. There's the cook shack, and I'll give you guys a closer look. Inside the cook shack, we have a couple of big commercial smokers. We have a nice stainless grill, a huge charcoal barbecue pit. We got a sink to clean up our mess. We've got some food prep tables. That's actually a giant griddle. Here's a view of our docks. I hope you can hear me because it's a little windy. There's my boat, the old northbound. Over here we have my camper, and we have a boat ramp. And all the docks have water and electric at the dock. They're 30 amp marine outlets. And here's our boat ramp. Here's a picture of our inlet. Hopefully the blower's not too loud. Somebody's blowing leaves over at Moat Marine Lab today. There's what our property looks like. Over in this area is all the campsites. And all the campsites have water and electric. We only have a couple of 50 amp spots. They're mostly 30 amp. And the water's just well water, and we don't have any hookups for sewer. So the campsites are usually just used for our parties. So it's mainly a boating club. Tonight, the sunset's supposed to be beautiful. We're going to go out for a boat ride. Come along. It's going to be fantastic. We hope you like this video. The Sarasota Outboard Club is one of our favorite spots. It truly is a hidden gem. Please give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel. Our channel's brand new and we'd really appreciate it. See ya!